Somebody was asking on one of the forums about replacing the oil seal with the engine in on these Jags, and I don't know why the case is machined like that, to be honest with you. It means you've got to probably take the cylinder head off, take the sump off, and take the timing cover off to get the oil seal out, which is a bit of a daft idea. I don't see any reason why that cannot be machined out so you can push a new seal in. Just take the crankshaft damper off and stick a new seal in. Bit weird, but it's I've just been trying to make the diameter top and bottom and the diameter side to side, but unfortunately that's not long enough to hit the bottom. It's hitting on here. I just wanted to know what the crush was when there's some gaskets in there, you know, because I've got two old gaskets and one's 60 thou thick and one's 28 thou thick, so that's going to affect how tight the seal is. But I don't see any reason why that couldn't be machined out. It's I don't know why they've done this here. I mean, it's off to one side there and off to one side there, but I might give that a go, just as an experiment, see what happens. It's all very sloppy when it's actually relies on the seal to line it up. Slopping all over the place, you know. So it's relying on the seal when you put the sump on to line things up, but that's not of a problem. You can still do that. I mean, you can still put the original seal in the normal way, put it on with a timing cover, and then obviously put your sump on. But why that's there? There's enough strength in this for that not to be there, really. See in there, it's relieved here for some reason, I don't know why. That there's the same depth as that, but I might give that a go. I'm just having a look on the net to see if there's any other seals available. The new one I've got's a bit of a, well, in fact I'll show you it. That's the two seals. That's the old one that came out, which is a very soft material. It's nice and squidgy. Now the one that came with the gasket set is reduced in the middle for some reason. I don't know why. It seems very hard. I'm going to have a look on the net and see if I can see a weight on one in that size, which should be 2.750 OD by 2-inch ID, which is a pretty popular size. But I'll have a look and see what I can find. Well, I've just sat this new seal in here just to see how far it was standing up, really. It's up about, well, that's a 24 feeler. 16, 13, 12, 63. So it's about a 1/16 of an inch. And that's just sitting on the seal, so it probably might be a 1/16 of an inch gasket. Might be too thick for to get a decent grip of it. I might be better off using a thinner one, but I just wanted to see where that was when the seal was in, you know, what the gap was. Right. Well, I've just set this up roughly on centre. I'll centre it again when I get down to nearly where I want to be. I'll centre it off the seal path, because this is all a bit higgly-piggly at the minute, so just get rid of the large amount of stock and then do the final finish. And so on and so forth till we get down a bit. Right, I think I'm going to reset this now, because I put shims into it out for the gasket, but it looks like it's being done at the factory as if it was clamped together. So there's about 30 thou to come out of there, but this is nearly down to size at the other side, so I'll clamp them up with no gasket and see where we're going from there. Right, I've just clocked this in again off the seal path, so it's bang in the middle. It should be okay there. We'll take the last cut out and see what we are at. It's doing the size there. I'll have a measure of it, I think. And the new bit is 210, so it's 2 thou bigger, which is okay. Now then. I thought I would put the circlip in as well, but that would have been ideal, but it's too thick. It's off a wheel bearing, so I might just put a 16th wide circlip groove in and find something that will go in just as a safeguard, that's all. Got to find a cutter for that now. This is a bit of a Keith Robinson affair. I've got a square tool in there jammed in with an Allen key, but it does the job, so I've put one circlip groove there. The seal that I ordered off the net, the Viton one, is only 3/8 wide, so that suits that circlip groove. I'll put another one, a 1/2 inch plus 20 thou, which would suit an original seal, so you could fit either. It doesn't really make any difference, you know. See if I can manage this without getting my fingers in it. Second one in. Yes, I wouldn't like to get my fingers in there. Yeah, there's plenty of depth left there for that. Can't see any reason why that'll not work. Like, it's certainly easier than taking the engine out and taking the head off and taking the sump off, just to replace the seal. Oh, shit. That's it there. I'll find something like, you know, them little wary circlips that gone in the camshaft gears. Just they're not a high pressure thing. They're just there as a locator, you know. Something like that. If I can cut a couple of them down, or one of them down, I only need one. But that'll do a 3/8 seal or a 1/2 inch seal. So don't matter. And that's it with the seal, and you can see that's the 1/2 inch seal. There's plenty of room there to get a circlip in, not a problem. I haven't squeezed the sump right up. I've left like in it, you know, enough for a gasket gap, but it's no problem.